Our lives begin with a single embryo cell before it differentiates and divides. These cells make up tissues to form organs, creating a complete organ system inside our bodies. The average human body contains 40 trillion cells, consisting of over 200 different types of cells. A stem cell is a remarkable and versatile type of cell, capable of becoming other types of cells inside the body. It can divide and replace cells and tissue that have been damaged or lost due to daily activity or disease, a repair and renewal system for the human body. Maintaining cellular activation and sufficient cell quantities is crucial in slowing down aging and keeping our organs and body healthy. However, old blood inside the body is actually tainted. Modern living environments, unbalanced diets, and exposure to pollution can all cause contamination inside our body and blood. Scientists have discovered that this toxicity in old blood can cause cellular dysfunction in the human body. Cells become less active, immune responses are gradually reduced, and dreadful chronic diseases arise along the way of aging. In 2004, researchers from Stanford University discovered that young blood is the key to revitalizing the stem cells in our bodies. Young adolescents' blood contains specific delta protein and biofactors that can restore and revitalize cellular functions. This study is an extension of the heterochronic parabiosis research from the Nobel laureate Dr. Alexis Carrel in 1905, in which an old mouse is surgically connected to a young mouse to share the young blood circulation. Systemic rejuvenation and reverse aging in the old mouse was observed within 7 days of receiving the young blood. Modern researchers replicated the heterochronic parabiosis experiment by infusing the blood of young adolescents into an old mouse. The results were astounding. Cellular growth factors in the old mouse were reactivated, muscles repaired faster, reconnections formed in the cerebral hippocampus, and brain neuron cells were replenished and re-stimulated. The stem cells in our old blood are inhibited by toxic substances. They face greater difficulties in differentiation and struggle to survive. This also explains why conventional stem cell transplant treatments show inconsistencies and unpromising results in systemic therapeutics. This important piece of the scientific puzzle was missing. Lotus Biotechnology Laboratory advanced Carrel's heterochronic parabiosis research into a modern clinical biotherapy by re-engineering and reformulating a new protocol. Mira Young Plasma Conditioning Biotherapy. Medical scientist Dr. Pan-Fu Shi, a modern researcher and practiced surgeon from the University of Chicago, pioneered the use of the Mira protocol. He solved key scientific challenges and developed the advanced, leading-edge anti-aging approach through a 3-step protocol: blood decontamination, Mira Young Plasma Conditioning, and mesenchymal cell transplant. Mira Young Plasma Conditioning employs the newest automated cell culture technology and compounding pharmacy technology, integrating multifarious biochemicals and intellectual patented techniques in compliance with GTP regulation, offering the synthetic parabiotic solutions, a formulated plasma solution for intravenous use that is the biological equivalent to young blood. The procedure is both safe and consistently effective. Young plasma conditioning therapy can serve as an independent treatment or be employed as an adjunctive measure alongside any other anti-aging therapies. It induces the cellular activation at a systemic level, naturally restoring cells and rebooting the immune system to strengthen the body's natural defenses. This biotherapy is a promising answer to most chronic diseases, clinically reversing the conditions in cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, stroke, dementia, and other aging and frailty problems. And it may even facilitate the immunotherapy in cancer treatments by increasing its medicinal efficacy. Reverse aging is one of the best and most natural ways to cure or delay age-related diseases that we all may be facing. to restore and revitalize. The body becomes younger and functional once again. Live out a longer and healthier life. Young Plasma Conditioning Biotherapy. Redefining aging and extending your health span.